Let's embark on a journey through time, back to when the Space Shuttle first took to the skies. The technological marvel, NASA's Space Shuttle, redefined the boundaries of human achievements in space exploration. Designed as a reusable spacecraft, it removed the barriers of single-use rockets, opening new horizons in our understanding of the cosmos. From deploying satellites, building the International Space Station, to repairing the Hubble Space Telescope, its missions were as diverse as they were challenging. However, the Space Shuttle's journey wasn't without its trials. The Columbia and Challenger disasters remind us of the inherent risks of pushing boundaries. Despite these tragedies, the legacy of the Space Shuttle inspires generations to dare, dream, and discover the infinite wonders of the cosmos. As we look to the future, the Space Shuttle's pioneering spirit continues to propel humanity further into the final frontier.